Hey guys, so this tech question comes based on another video I did for Adorama, so I'll put a link to that. They're basically talking about lighting ratios and getting the background dark. You guys probably see me, if you watch enough of my videos, you see me do this stuff all the time. I think that I try to explain it case by case basis because I feel like just generally talking about it, it doesn't really give you any oomph, you know. But anyways, the question was basically, I have the video, and if you watch it, you know, you've got the subject really close to the wall with a single light, a white wall, as it would be, and then she'll move further from the wall, and then, you know, even further. And there's a few different things you have to think about here with the ratio. So I keep mentioning ratios in this, and the confusion with this person was that part of it. They didn't understand what ratio. The ratio of all three, right? When you use it, when you're lighting something, you know, comparing it to the background, you need to think about the distance from the light to the person and the distance from the light to the background and the ratio of those things, right? So if, for instance, my light is 10 feet away from me and I am right up against the background, then the light is basically 10 feet away from both myself and the background, right? If I am 5 feet away from the light and the background, you know, obviously the light stays where it is, and the background is not 10 feet away, now I'm twice as close, right? So the ratio changes there. So this, of course, keeping in mind is you're turning the light down, right, in order to compensate for the fact the subject's closer. So if I move myself to half the distance, right, using the inverse square law, I'll lose 2 stops of light, or you know, not half the power, but a quarter. So now the background is 2 stops darker. So if I have a white background, it's only getting, you know, a little bit of light on it now. Now it's like a dark gray, right? And now if I move, let's say, to a foot away from the light, now I'm 1:10 ratio or something like that, right? Now I've moved like really close. So now the light's turned down, however many stops, I'm not gonna do the math on that, but it's turned down like 7 or 8 stops, right? So now you're looking at a huge difference. Now the background's black. You know, basically that's it. It's the ratio of all three things. Now, yes, you could also move the light, right? The other thing is this: if I was to stand 2 feet away from the background and the light is 2 feet away from me, so it's 4 feet from the background, whatever, and then I move the light closer to me, it's still going to compress that ratio. It's just going to do it in a different way. But always think about the ratio of all three things. That's what's important. The light, subject, and the wall, your ratios are the spaces in between. So hopefully that helps. Maybe I'll do another video where I actually lay stuff out, because I think maybe the confusing part of this one is, unlike a lot of things that I do, you have to change the power in order to really show it. Because clearly if I don't change the power and I move somebody closer to the light, they're going to be overexposed, and that's not going to look right. Okay? So anyways, put some comments down below with some tech questions that you have, or if you want to DM me, that's also fine on Instagram. I'll put all that stuff in the description. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.